So this is Shyam Chetwani once again, and we had a wonderful one-to-one financial consultation session with Mr. Bhavik Gajera. He is from Bangalore, working with one of the MNC there in IT firm. And since last more than 2 hours, we are together discussing about his financial plan and everything. So I just wanted to know from Mr. Bhavik, what is your experience? What is your takeaway out of this consultation we have so far?
Yeah, it is like a good experience. And before this meeting, I was very much blank, like a plain paper. I was not great, like where to keep my all the investment part and where to invest, how to plan. So it was very like plain paper, like nothing, like whatever I'm getting, it was going away. And at the month of end, like I was completely wiped out with my money. So now I got to know how to invest, like where to keep all the monies to secure our future and everything. So the great experience, and I got very good session with Shyam Chetwani, and all the parameters he shows very clear and very useful.
Great. So, Mr. Bhavik, what is your one biggest learning? What is one of your biggest takeaway out of the discussion, which really changed your mindset from point A to point B?
Yeah. So creating wealth is one parameter, but how to secure that wealth, it is more useful. So that is takeaway from this session.
Great, great. So, thank you very much, Bhavik once again for your kind words. And we have already taken all the input from your
Yeah,
side, and we'll work on it, and we will definitely meet in the next meeting as we planned.
sure,
So,
definitely.
definitely, so thank you once again, and wishing you a very financially free retirement very early as we planned. And
Yeah, thank you very
looking
much.
forward to see you again.
Yeah, thank you for suggesting good guidance and providing me all the meaningful information.
My pleasure, my pleasure. Thank you very much. Yeah.